In today's video, I will be playing End of the Line. This game is basically the subway version of Dead Rails. Even though I'm comparing the two, don't get the idea that this game is a copycat, as it's fun and also unique in its own way. In this game, you want to have 3 objectives. Number 1, collect good loot. Number 2, make your train impenetrable. Number 3, get weapons and ammo. Every 6,000 studs or so, there will be a stop where you can sell and buy items. The game is pretty easy going in the beginning, but it doesn't get any easier. The question is, will I make it to the end? Now keep in mind, not all of these stops are mandatory. But if you want to get a good start, it's best to loot in the beginning and then only stop when you have to. Because once every stop, the power will go out. You will have to fight a mob of zombies and find the power switch to continue driving. Loot isn't very important throughout the full game. The shop isn't a huge selection, but the best thing you could buy there is the stop sign axe, as it can't be found as loot and is a huge upgrade compared to the baseball bat. It works to kill zombies through the wall of your train. You just need to figure out how to attract them without letting them inside. We've made it 7 out of the 11 checkpoints so far. Everything was going smooth, with some occasional stops to reinforce the train, until... a couple of zombies had started rushing me. I ran inside the train thinking I could get them through the walls. But I was wrong. And that had almost cost me my life. But I made it, with 4 stops to go. Fun fact, one of the developers for this game are none other than Dev Anthony, which you may know as one of the programmers for Survive the Killer. When you get this far into the game, you will come across a new type of zombie called raiders that stop your train. They are quite dangerous and can have weapons such as guns or even grenades. You will have to turn the switch to keep the train going. And you would think these zombies were bad until you see these. That was close again. 8 down, 3 to go. Once you're this far in, loot and money isn't as much as a necessity. You're pretty much smooth sailing once you have the stop sign axe and some weapons. It was relatively easy getting rid of all the zombies on the next stop, as I could use the wall. Right there was the acid zombie. We're almost there. If that effect was a second longer, I probably would have died. Everything was going great, with 1 stop to go, right until the unexpected happened. You saw that right. I had in fact just died, but I couldn't settle for loss.
Oh, yes!